everybody. My name is Chintan Nayak and I'm here to give a presentation on the application of human ethanol pharmacokinetics based on the program PK Quest. I have divided my presentation in four parts. I'll start with the background and then I'll go with the method and I'll end up with the results and conclusion. If you have any queries, then I would like to answer them after my presentation. So first of all, what is PK Quest? The PK Quest is a physiologically based pharmacokinetic program that is used in the measurement of intestinal absorption and first-pass metabolism. Now, the first-pass metabolism term, it refers to the metabolism of an ingested compound that undergoes from its passage through the gut and liver before it reaches the systemic circulation. Now, the standard approach to quantitate this first-pass metabolism is to compare the area under curve for equal IV and oral doses. So one can measure the fractional first-pass metabolism by measuring the fractional differences between these two areas. So, but this the equation is mainly based on the assumption that the removal rate is linear. But what if the removal rate is non-linear? Then the definition of the first-pass metabolism is not valid in this case. So, and if you consider a case where the GI absorption is occurring at a time when the systemic drug concentration is so high that the liver metabolism is completely saturated, at this time the first-pass metabolism must be zero. So, to avoid all these problems, scientists came with many approaches. Like first one being peripheral availability, that is the amount of drug that is available in the systemic circulation, and then the second being one compartment model, in which scientists assume the whole human body as one compartment, and then the third being two compartment model, where the central compartment being blood and the whole other part of the body have been considered as the second compartment. But all these approaches were not that satisfactory. So, and the next approach that came was PK Quest. So, in the program PK Quest, we use the IV input data to find the PBPK parameters, and these PBPK parameters are used to solve the IV input function and to get the blood time course that is identical to the that is being seen with the orally administered drug. So, this is over to PK Quest, and I'll next go with the method how we do the experiment. So first, while doing the PK Quest experiment, we considered some simplifying assumptions and we assume these human parameters. We consider some standard human parameters. The assumption that it makes is each organ is a single registered compartment, and the other is blood tissue exchange is flow limited. So, certain parameters like diffusion gradient and counter current exchange, all these parameters can cause some small deviations in this experiment. And these are the parameters of the human that we have considered as standard while doing this experiment. So the experiment was conducted by the Norberg et al. And in the experiment they have given the IV ethanol infusion of 0.15 grams per kilogram body weight of dose, and the breath and venous concentration were measured. So it is clearly shown here that the IV, it is obvious that IV intravenous absorption is more than the oral one, that is indicated in the graph. And the data which was obtained is plotted on the graph, and in this we have divided this experiment into categories. Few subjects were given meal with ethanol, and few subjects were fasting. So when we look at the graph, this is the graph where we got where the patients were given coincident meal with ethanol, and here the absorption is slow, and the first-pass metabolism is 36% with the dose of 0.15 milligram per kilogram. The absorption took about 3 hours, and for the subjects which were fasting, the absorption is really fast, and the first-pass metabolism was small. The absorption took only 15 minutes. So, with these results, we can conclude that the ingestion of ethanol with coincident meal really reduced the peak blood level by about 4-fold. So this is all about me. And, if you have any queries,
Thank you very much, and also kept well on time. Questions?
Okay, I thought that would happen. So,